To help you with this question, let's work through the answer together. Here you're being asked to identify what the overdraft on the bank statement should be. Now, typically when you're producing a bank reconciliation, you normally start with the balance as per your bank statement. However, this is the figure that you actually need to calculate, and so we're going to have to do a bit of working backwards. Let's look at the information we have been provided with. So we know that the cash book is already overdrawn by $765, but the bookkeeper did identify an error where a receipt was posted twice for $78. Now, what that means is that actually the cash account balance or the cash book balance is going to be even lower, i.e. more in overdraft than it already is stated at, because a receipt was posted twice. So we're going to have the $765. Okay, that's already an overdraft, so I'm going to put a minus sign there. And I'm going to deduct from that a further $78 because a receipt had been posted twice in error. So we need to remove some of that income, hence we are deducting the $78 here. That means the actual cash account balance or the cash book balance is going to be overdrawn by $843. And I'm going to put that in brackets. You could put a negative sign next to it to represent the overdraft. We also know that there are uncleared lodgements for $347. Now, this refers to amounts that have been recognised within the cash book, but because of timing differences, we haven't yet received them within the bank statement. And we do typically add these. So that's going to be the $347. And that's the outstanding lodgements. There are no unrepresented checks, so now we can work backwards to get the balance as per our bank statement. Now remember, you want the balance as per your bank statement to work down this equation so that when you add $347 to it, it does give you the cash account balance or the cash book balance at $843 negative. So in order for that to work, you're going to need to rearrange this equation. So you've got the 847 negative, okay? And if you are going to work backwards, you're going to be minusing the $347 so that the actual amount that you get as per your balance in the bank statement is going to equate to $1,190 overdraft. Now in your calculator, if you take $1,190 negative and you add to it the $347 for your outstanding lodgements, you do end up with the overdrawn cash book balance of $843. It is important to read the question carefully and identify what it is that you are being asked to do. Here, we were being asked to calculate the bank statement balance, and therefore you are working backwards on this reconciliation pro forma.